Want to turn off vibration on your Apple Watch? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to completely disable all haptic feedback on your watch. But before we go into that, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. So, start by pressing the digital crown to open the app menu. Once you're on the home screen, tap the Settings app. It's the one with the gear icon. Scroll down until you see Sounds and Haptics and tap on it. Inside the Sounds and Haptics menu, look for the Haptics section. If it's currently set to default or prominent, tap on it and change the setting to off. This will stop your Apple Watch from vibrating for most alerts and notifications. Next, scroll further down on the same page until you find Crown Haptics. This feature causes a slight vibration when you rotate the digital crown. To disable this, simply toggle the switch off. Lastly, turn off System Haptics by switching it off as well. This will ensure that no system-related vibrations occur, including subtle feedback when you interact with the user interface. That's it! You've successfully turned off all vibrations on your Apple Watch. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. And stay tuned for more quick and easy tech tutorials to help you get the most out of your devices. See you soon in the next video.